Okay, y'all, we're going to try to take a little track hoe up this bank. I don't think it'll go because of the ditch right here. Blade might get stuck. I'll try to shove it up, just show you how steep it is. It ain't real steep. Four-wheeler goes up and down, no problem. This thing ain't a four-wheeler though. So now we're gonna fire this thing up and we'll see if we can get across this little ditch and run it up the bank. That ditch ain't fair though, but that's okay. We'll run it up it anyways. Okay, now to be fair, that was kind of tipping a little bit, but the bank is very, very soft. As you see, the only thing that was digging in was the front. The back felt like it was off the ground, looked like it was off the ground to me. So it just caused it to tip more as it was spinning. So that is a little bit of a problem on these. They ain't very good on hills, as you can tell, but we'll get it up here. We got another spot we're gonna run it up. A little less of a slant. If that was gravel, it'd probably go up it, but I tell you, it feels like it wants a tip. All right, let's check out this other spot and see if he'll go up it. All right, y'all, now we're gonna show you how much of a slope this thing actually does. We already did it on over there, it didn't work. So now we're gonna back it up here and try not to use the bucket, but we're gonna have to use the bucket to get it up there. Everybody's like, turn it around. Well, we ain't gonna turn this thing around because I really don't want to flip it over. So let's help the bank see what happens. little muddy. A little muddier than I'd like, but oh well. All right, so there, as you all see, it struggled a little bit going up the bank. And now we'll get on to the next thing. Didn't do too bad on that little slope anyways. As you all can see, it definitely sucks going up banks anyways. What's tip with you, whatever it wants to do there. Definitely ain't like a big track hoe, that's for sure, but at least y'all got to see what it do. That ain't very good grade on a hill right there either. I mean, it's just slightly sloped. There ain't much to it. But anyways, that's going to be it, y'all. Y'all enjoy. Have a good day. We will see you all on the next one.